Hello peoples, you're watching another exciting episode of Red's Gameplay videos as per usual, starring moi, Reds. Today I'm going to be playing Sonic Dash 2 Sonic Boom, which I was supposed to be doing for a long time, but I got distracted by many other things. But it's okay, at least I can play it now, and I need to get back to Sonic Forces and Sonic Dash, and I know I was supposed to continue Mario Kart Tour today, but I honestly wanted to start Sonic Dash 2 Sonic Boom, but I promise I'll do it later on. But I need to get back to the Sonic games I played on previously on my channel. So yeah, I had to get the tutorial stuff over and done with, and yeah, I'll play this for you guys. Anyways, it's telling me to manage my team, so yeah, I have to add a new member. I'm gonna go with Knuckles. So basically in this game, you can change your member of the team. It's basically the same as Sonic Dash. You just have to So basically I just learned how to do a knuckle slam like that. It's to help kill the enemies and the badniks. And you can also tilt the screen in this game. There is a part which I'll show you later on, if we ever get to that part. And you can take shortcuts as well. Interesting. Hey, the Sonic. Oh, it's telling me to choose. I'm gonna go with Knuckles. Okay, I don't know. We just went to... It seems like we went to a different dimension. Hey, I've seen this before. I remember watching Sonic Boom once, and I could have sworn I've seen this place. I don't really remember what my favourite episode, to be honest, because I haven't really watched it much. But I remember enjoying it, and it was quite good. I have to concentrate. So basically how to do a knuckle slam is that you have to swipe up, swipe down when you get nearer to an enemy. I'm really enjoying this. But I can't talk because I need concentration. Okay, this is the part where you have to tilt. No wait, no it's not. Oh, what's the part where you have to tilt the screen? I'm sure it'll come soon, or maybe it comes when you're playing Sonic. I'm not sure. Your combos add up as well. Be careful. Oh my god. I'll be right back, yeah? I'm back. Don't forget to collect the orbs, because that also helps you out as well. Good God. Be right back.
Bring it on.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Next time we need to concentrate more. Let's beat my high score. I need to show them what I got. Don't forget to kill the enemies by doing the knuckle slam. It'll add to your score and your combo. Don't forget the red coins as well. For each enemy you kill, it adds to your combo score. Like that. Need to keep it up like this. Oh no, my combo went down.